Microsoft Excel is a registered trademark of Microsoft Office products, and I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with Microsoft Office or Microsoft. We want to create a mail merge document using Excel data. So what you want to do is open up Microsoft Word and click Tools, Letters and Mailings, and Mail Merge. We're going to start the document. I'm going to use the current document. I'm going to select recipients. We're going to browse to look for those recipients. Now we're going to have to hunt down where we actually have the data. And then we'll choose the table that we want from Excel. And since we had our contact info in the contact info sheet for the table, that's where we chose. And you'll see that you'll have your mail merge recipients. We've got our individuals' names, last name, first name, address, etc. And you click OK. And next, write your letter. You can put in an address block. Specify address elements, insert company name, postal address, etc., etc. And this is what it'll look like. Go ahead and hit enter a couple times and put in a greeting line. Dear whoever, dear sir or madam, if there's no recipient names. And this is what it's going to look like. And then you would go ahead and type your letter. Just to inform you of new products available. And next you would preview your letters, and you'll see that the first recipient is the individual who was the first in line on our Excel data sheet, and you click over to check the other recipients. Next, you would complete the merge. And if you wanted to, you could print your individual letters or edit each individual letters, and you could merge them into a new document. And that is how you use data from an Excel table and create a mail merge document.